If 1 plus x whole to the power n equal to c0 plus c1x plus dot dot plus cn into x to the power n, then what is the value of c0 into c1 plus c1 into c2 plus dot dot plus cn minus 1 into cn? We have given 4 options here. Now let us apply the special trick. We can assume n equal to 2. n equal to 2, what we get? 1 plus x square equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2 into x square. Now expanding this, we get 1 plus 2x plus x square equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2 into x square. Now comparing both sides, we get c0 equal to 1, c1 equal to 2 and c2 equal to 1. Now if we take n equal to 2, we have to find the value of these two terms. So c0 into c1 plus c1 into c2 equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1, that is we get 4 here. Now we have to check which of the following 4 options gives the value 4 for n equal to 2. Now if we choose this option C, now 2 into n, that is 4 factorial upon n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1 factorial, and 2 plus 1, that is 3 factorial. So 4 factorial by 3 factorial we get 4. So C is the right answer.